Hey there, homeowners! Imagine a world where cleaning your home is effortless, almost magical. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, thanks to AI-powered cleaning, that dream is now a reality. Let's be honest, traditional cleaning can be a real pain. It's time-consuming, tedious, and often feels like a never-ending chore. But what if I told you that AI could save you time, reduce your effort, and give you a more thorough clean? Let's dive into the AI revolution in home cleaning. First up, smart vacuuming and floor cleaning. Meet the new generation of robot vacuums powered by AI. These little marvels come with AI-powered navigation, object avoidance, and even self-emptying features. Imagine a device that not only vacuums your floors, but also avoids obstacles and empties itself. That's what I call smart. And it doesn't stop there. AI-powered mopping robots are here to take your cleaning game to the next level. They adapt their cleaning patterns based on your floor type, control water usage automatically, and deliver powerful scrubbing. Plus, they easily integrate with your smart home ecosystem, allowing you to control them via voice commands or smartphone apps. Schedule cleaning routines and watch them work seamlessly with your other smart devices. Now let's talk laundry. AI-powered washing machines and dryers are changing the way we do laundry. These machines can automatically detect stains, recognize fabric types, and offer personalized settings for optimal cleaning. Imagine never having to worry about setting the right wash cycle again. On top of that, smart laundry assistants are here to help. These apps manage your laundry loads, track clothing wear and tear, and even suggest cleaning cycles based on fabric types. And looking ahead, we might see AI-powered robots that fold and iron clothes or detergents that adapt to specific stains. Exciting, right? Let's head to the kitchen. AI-powered dishwashers are revolutionizing kitchen cleaning. With automatic dish recognition, variable washing cycles, and AI-powered water and energy optimization, these dishwashers make cleaning up a breeze. But wait, there's more. AI-powered kitchen cleaning robots can clean countertops, appliances, and even help put away dishes. And the future. Think AI-powered refrigerators that track food expiration dates, suggest recipes, and even order groceries when needed. So, let's recap. AI-powered cleaning saves you time, makes cleaning effortless, and is incredibly efficient. And the best part? The future holds even more exciting advancements like AI-powered cleaning products that adapt to different surfaces and learn your individual cleaning preferences. Ready to transform your cleaning routine with AI magic? Start exploring the world of AI-powered cleaning today and experience the transformative benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.